The first thing you need to do is install VS Code, which I have done here. Then you come to the extensions button. You can click on that and you're going to install some extensions. So the first one you're going to install is Live Share, this one by Microsoft. I've already installed it. Then you're going to install Jupyter, and it's there. Again, another product by Microsoft. And that may have you install the Python linting and debugging, etc. Extension as well. Once you have the extensions installed, let's go ahead and make a new file. And I'm going to do a hello world. So there's our hello world. I'm going to save. And I'll go to projects, test, and we'll call it test.py. So now I can run this and we get the result down here, hello world. Now, I want to use cells, which is a Jupyter Notebook style tool. So %# will give me a, hash %. That's what will give me a cell. And so now I can just press Control Enter and it will run that cell. I can put something else in the cell. Goodbye world. And if I run that, you can see it runs both of those print commands. But I can also put them in separate cells. So I can run this cell, which only prints hello world, and then run this cell, which prints goodbye world. Now to share, I'm going to come over here to this button, which is the Live Share button. And I'm going to come to Invite Participants. And when I clicked on that, you see down here, invite link on the bottom right, invite link copied to clipboard. So now I can take that link, send it to someone else. And now the other person can come to their Live Share button and they can say join. They'll click join, they'll paste the link here, and then press enter, and then you'll be off and running, working together and seeing each other's code being written. One more thing you need to do to allow your collaborator to execute cells is come back to your extensions and come to Live Share, click on Settings, Extension Settings here. And there are a couple of settings that are important. Allow guest debug control, check that. Allow guest task control, check that. And one more down near the bottom, about the middle, allow guest command control. That's the important one that allows your collaborator to actually run cells. Make sure that is checked.